I work in this hotel. Our hotel is opened in 2008. We have 157 rooms, and we have different categories rooms, different views. We have sea and pool view, only garden view, only street view. We have double, deluxe, twin, and suite. We have presidential suite and family suite. We can go and see.
Okay.
And before Georgia Palace, there was a cemetery called Sakartvelo. In our hotel, we have two big restaurants. One is Ajar restaurant, which is at the first floor. There is a buffet, and second restaurant we have on the sixth floor called Roof Garden, and there is a la carte menu. Also, we have now we see the presidential suite. Then we can go and see Roof Garden restaurant. Also, in our hotel, we have one indoor swimming pool in wellness center. In wellness center, we have indoor swimming pool, gym, and yoga also. And we have three outdoor swimming pools. One with salt water in the garden, and one with sweet water. We see this later. This is a presidential suite.
Okay, thanks.
In presidential suite there are two living room and one bedroom. Also, bathroom, of course. The second living room, and this is a bedroom, bathroom. And every room has their own balcony. We can see the view.
Thank you.
And a wonderful view from presidential suite. We have our private beach. Our terrace, we can see our terrace later. Our guest has free sun loungers, umbrellas in our beach.
Okay, we can go. Thank you.
Now we can go and see Roof Garden restaurant. Also, we have disabled rooms at the first floor. This is a roof garden restaurant.
Thank you.
Barbecue.
Oh, very nice.
Yes, the view is very wonderful. And in this restaurant, we have a la carte menu.
Is the stage? I have a question. Is it for wedding or ceremony?
Yes, today.
Today, yeah. Okay, very nice.
Now we can go outside.
Okay.
We have Georgian chef, and he works with other chefs before.
Mm-hmm.
We have 6 bars, 2 indoor bars, and the other outdoor bars. Champagne bar, pool bar, a lobby bar at the first floor. This is indoor bar. Khachapuri bar.
Khachapuri? Only khachapuri? Nothing?
Yes. Also, we have spa. We have Ayurveda massage. We have therapists from India. And also in spa we have a cosmetologist, beauty salon. For Ayurveda we have special oils and medicaments from India. Also we have Dr. Harry.
Nice.
He's Indian too. This is a lobby bar.
Thank you.
Excuse me, I will give a card to reception and our card. This is a wellness center where is a gym, indoor swimming pool, and yoga. Also Thai teacher bar. We can go and see. This is a a champagne bar.
Mm-hmm.
And this swimming pool is sweet water.
Okay.
Also swimming pool for children there.
It's not Black Sea water. It's different.
Yes, this water is sweet.
Mm.
And our hotel is located 4 hectares,
Oh.
close to Black Sea.
Mm. Hello?
This room is for yoga.
Oh, very nice. I love yoga. I'm a yogi.
Excuse me?
I'm a yogi. Especially yoga was very good for me in Corona time. Yoga helped me very much in yoga time. In COVID, Corona time, because I couldn't go anywhere, and yoga helped me very much.
And this is a gym.
Yes. If a person is a guest in hotel, I mean, guests have to pay for gym or yoga.
A guest? No.
It's free.
Yes, for our guests, gym and indoor, outdoor swimming pool is free, but yoga is paid.
Okay.
This is your swimming pool, and also we have sauna there.
Nice.
This is a sauna. It's free for our guests, of course.